8 minutes into today's session, welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Everyone, taking a look at the markets. We are seeing some declines to kick off this new trading week, an FOMC trading week, if you will. Let's get to Jared Blikre, who is live at the Wi-Fi Interactive. Jared?
That's right, another data-dependent week, so let's get to work here. We got the Dow, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ each off by about a similar amount, 0.2%. Let's dive right into the longer-term view of the S&P 500, where we find ourselves, this is a 3-month chart, by the way, at the bottom end of the range that we had on Friday. Now, we did see a nice rally into the close, but you'll notice we broke beneath this recent support, and we were testing levels from about 6-7 weeks ago. So we're going to have to see what happens into the FOMC meeting. Now, we know that a lot of the movement that we've seen in the markets is caused by, or at least related to the bond market. Here is the Bank of America ICE Move Index. That is down slightly. That is on Friday. But you can see, if we take a look at the VIX here, that is elevated today. That's at about 2760, just having punctured these highs that we saw from last week, guys.
Speaking of highs that we saw last week, well, I guess in this case, not really. But let's talk about Bitcoin, shall we?
Do that.
And the cryptos, Ethereum as well after the merge. It seems like 21 is far in the rearview mirror now, I guess.
Yes, unfortunately, the price, 21,000, is in the rearview mirror. We can see Bitcoin down about 5% over the trailing 24 hours. Over the last 5 days, you can see we just kind of fell out of bed Sunday evening. That was right before stock futures opened. And one thing that a lot of people on Twitter have been noticing is that Bitcoin is an excellent proxy, for where futures might end up opening over the weekend. That would be stock futures. Nevertheless, we're seeing a down action, both of futures and Bitcoin today, and Ethereum as well. Might as well plot some of the longer term views that we've been charting here. So here is Ethereum on a 2-year basis, and you can see here we haven't punctured these lows from, I guess, a couple months ago, but you take a look at Bitcoin, that is the case. And the danger with going too far below 20,000 at 18,800, we're pretty much there, is that those are the old highs from the 2017 rally. From there, we had a crypto winter that lasted basically 3 years, did not see new highs until 3 years later. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. If we enter a similar scenario, probably going to be a lot more crypto winter in the days and weeks and months to come. And here we want to take a look at some of the crypto stocks that have been moving. A lot of these to the downside. Coinbase down 3.5%. MicroStrategy, Steve Saylor, that is down 1 2/3%. I think they took a $1 billion loss on crypto. Nevertheless, he's still adding, believes in Bitcoin after the merge. But you can't argue with price, and price right now, not looking too great on the crypto front.
Nope, it definitely is not. Thanks so much. Appreciate it, Jared.